stages outside. I'm always ready to take a life again. You know I ride.
So we have arrived at DV8. Time to work on a beautiful Range Rover, if I assume right. Don't know which one we're working on, but we'll soon see. Let's go inside and see what the guys are up to. See what it is saying. Look at this. Just like in your Rolls Royce. This is nice. So, Range Rover Vogue. In for some artisan love. This is going to have a correction, so we are going to get the light on this beauty. See what the condition of the paint is like. As you can see, the vehicle is dirty. So I'm going to take it outside, get it in for its clean. Artisan style. Let's go. So the vehicle is outside. Time to get this beast washed. Now, I've said this before and I'll say it again. I'm not going to do loads of exterior washing clips because we need to get this vehicle inside so we can inspect the paint. So I might stitch in a few clips of the snow foam because that's the bit everybody loves. But the main thing for us is to get this cleaned so we can get inside and do our magic. We're just giving you a quick walk around so you can see the vehicle is a little bit dirty. So let's get it inside. Cheers! So the current situation, the vehicle is inside. We've already done our wash stages outside and the decontamination, and now we are taping up the vehicle and then we're going to get the light on so we can inspect it. I've come outside because they're playing music in there and I don't want a copyright strike on YouTube, so let's go inside. Sound's going to come off so you can see what the current situation is. So that is the car being taped up. I will take you back inside in a minute once we've taped up all the areas and then we've got the light on. I've already done the interior clean, just need to go over the dash and the glass, but taking shape nicely. So as I always say, let's get some work done, people. So the current situation is the bonnet has been corrected. I've moved the light source to a different position, so obviously you can't see what we can see in the flesh, but it looks very good. Now if we look at the wing, you can see it is swirl city. So I put the tape there so we can do a 50-50 to see the improvement that we are giving it. But as you can see, there's loads of swirls on the vehicle. Same on the door, look at that. So I want to do a 50-50 and I'll show you what it looks like.
Whoa. 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 Yeah. Whoa. What you call an icon living? Start a record label, Misfits just did it. Whoa. Nylon cover 5 minutes. Whoa, we are too hot in the business. Whoa. About to make a movie independent. Whoa. Need new trucks independent.
Hello and good morning, and I say good morning because it is a second day. Yesterday we done the enhancement detail and ceramic coating application on the beautiful Range Rover Vogue DV8. We had to rush off at the end of the job, and I never leave a job unchecked, so I've come back over this morning just to make sure that all the coating and everything is cured on the panel and any finer things that we may have missed in our haste of speed last night. So I'm going to take you inside now so we can have a look at the car and then you can see how it's looking. And that is the current situation. Range Rover Vogue, stage 1 enhancement, ceramic coating application, glass and wheels, interior cleaned. It has now been given eyes-on treatment. Hopefully the customer is happy with this beauty, because we are very happy. If you watch earlier on in the video, you can see there's some major swirls on this car, but nonetheless we've enhanced it. What can I say? Thanks for watching the video. Give it a thumbs up, share it if you feel to. But the only thing I have to say to you is, whatever you do, make sure you do it well.